All right, what's going on, you guys? So my bad. On the video right now, I was recording. My phone died, so most of the install that I was doing, I didn't even know that my phone had died. So I charged it up right now. I'm recording now, and I'm gonna update you guys on what I did really quick. It's already on, and I wired it up. But let me go ahead and give you guys a breakdown. Sorry for the wind too. But there it is. So there's a temperature sensor, there's that ambient sensor in the front. Here's the wiring kit, the wiring harness that came with the kit. So the relay, additional ground relay, and then this, it goes down to the connections to the fans that were in the back. And I righted those up right here. As you guys can see, I did zip ties so I can hold it in place so it's nice and tight in there, it's not sticking out. And then here's the connected hose. So I still use the stock hose that came with the heat exchanger from the Roush one. I did remove those plastic grate clips, they're right there. So now I wanted to give you guys a little quick update on this kit. For those that have the Roush supercharger and you're gonna be using your Roush supercharger pump for the heat exchanger, this kit comes with a wiring connection to connect to the pump. But this connection will not connect to the Roush heat exchanger pump. So basically, I'm just gonna zip tie this up and tighten it up nice there. And then right now I'm running it as is, and I already turned it on. I already did the bleeding of the air in the reservoir. I do have this cooling kit. I recommend you guys get it. It was a breeze and I was able to air it out, get all the air bubbles out. So now basically when I'm inside the car and I just push the start, the fans will automatically start to turn on the heat exchanger to start running. And then basically what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just go ahead and put the front bumper back on, that's right there. Alright, you guys, there you have it. The VMP Heat Exchanger install is complete. I'm gonna go ahead and turn it on for you guys. like and subscribe. Have a good one.